Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a CRM for free using Software. Software is a low-code, no-code platform so that you can build custom business software applications without using any code. And I just learned about this, so I just created a free trial, or I just open up the free version of the application, and then I'm just going to show you what I just learned a few minutes ago. So you can go to software.io. I will put the links down below. They actually have a plan that is for free that gives you an opportunity to build one published application. Once you're registered, you will land into this portal, and you can do two things. You can actually three things. You can actually build your application from scratch. You can actually build an application from a template. So they have a template menu here where you can actually see directories, CRMs, form, nonprofits, real estate, whatever you want. And you can actually get that information through here as well, where you can actually filter which applications you want to build and use those templates. Or, which is the path that I'm going to take now, is using AI. Okay, right now AI is hot. I want to test as much as I can with AI. I'll probably create another video to do it with a template, but I'm just going to go ahead and get to it right away. That way you can see how easy it is to build a CRM for free using Software. Okay, so you're going to click here and generate with AI. This gives you the possibility to select pre-prompts already in the system. You can actually click here to suggest for other prompts, but I'm just going to write one from here. So create a CRM for a commercial cleaning company where I can keep track of clients as well as invoices. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'm going to click preview your app. It's going to take few minutes, actually less than a minute probably. So within Magic to fulfill your request. So it's looking at it right now. It's going to give you some options for me to build the looks and feel of it. But again, I'm not going to edit the video. I just want you to see. It's been a few seconds now. Now it's telling me, okay, what do you want your client track? So create a CRM for a commercial cleaning company where I can keep this. This is my prompt. This is the theme. So you can actually select colors, modern, creative, professional. So let's keep it professional. I like the accent color blue, and I'm going to generate your app. Click on generate your app, and this is going to go ahead and build my app, and then I can just preview it, and that's it. And then you can actually easily change it. There is an academy for Software. I'll show you that in a minute, but I just want you to see how quickly this builds an application and how quickly you can actually preview it to get ideas and to actually get the ball rolling. Okay, so as you can see, it already created the CRM. Okay, it has a landing page here. It has what the different sections that somebody would be able to see, whether you're a member, you're an admin, and things like that. And without going too much into the details, I'm just going to click on preview. And then this is going to give me how it's going to look in real life. So this is the landing page. Since I'm not logged in as a client, you can actually view it as a tablet. It is actually mobile friendly and responsive. So you can actually play with that here, as well as, you can click sign in. It'll take you to the home page. I don't want to log in as to anybody because it actually gives me a possibility to preview as someone. So here I'm just going to preview as this individual here, jeter-@example.com, and it is going to display. So this is an admin, so I'm going to have the view as an admin right now. It's just going to take a little bit to load. But right now I have welcome back Jeter, which is the person that I logged in as. It gives me the clients that I'm searching for. It gives me the possibility to add new clients. If I click on my clients, it actually gives me the information for that specific client. If I go to invoices, it's going to give me the list of those invoices. So you can see that here. I can click on one of those. It gives me the information of the invoice, whether it's paid, the amount. It gives me the possibility to create the invoice. It also gives me a menu item so that I can see the services that I provide. So just give me 1 second here. So IT support, environmental assessments. Again, these are mock-up values. So you can actually modify these without any issues. I don't know if it's going to allow me to because I'm in preview mode. So it didn't allow me to, but you can actually create your own services here. And then it gives you a page for service agreements in case you have any service agreements that you want to provide to your clients. So again, these are the service agreements. If I click on one of those, let's see what it gives me. So, this is the terms and conditions. That should do it. Let me see something else here. So account settings. And it gives me the information so I can change the password and things like that. But that is it. I wanted to just create this video to show you how easy it is for you to create a CRM for free with tools that are free. So again, if I go here to the pricing, you have a free option. And then if I go to Software Academy, you can actually click on here. And if you feel like you want to learn more about software, then you can go here to the Learning Center. And it gives you the options of what you can do in order for you to start learning. So you have, building a client portal, software 101. You can actually connect with data sources, page navigation, visualization of data, user authentication, creating groups and permissions, adding and editing data, styling your app and publishing your app. And that's it. I mean, there's a bunch of YouTube videos as well. People like me making these videos. Some of them are more professional than I am. Again, I just learned about this tool and I wanted to bring this to your attention because this is amazing what you can build in a matter of less than 8 minutes, okay? It actually built it within 2 minutes, but I'm just taking my time explaining how it works and what you can do with the power of low code, no code automation, and tools like this one that are leveraging AI for you to be able to make something happen, all right? Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Thank you.